So welcome back. I've had some more stuff from 𝐷𝐿𝐒. So they sent me some grills for the air intake that go underneath the bonnet that stop leaves and debris getting in. But they've also sent me stuff that's going to stop leaves and stones coming in through this bottom air intake. Now it has got active louvers inside, and at the moment they're shut because I've just driven around the corner. But on long drives, obviously the inverter and the motor is going to require some cooling. So there is radiators behind these flaps that open up at speed, or when the car's getting hot, or when you're supercharging, to cool everything down. Now when I'm driving down through France and Spain, indeed when I'm driving anywhere, I don't want any stones getting in there, puncturing a radiator and being extremely expensive. So these are a really effective, cheap way of protecting the radiator and the louvers and everything, all the gubbins in there. These are sort of clip-on mesh affairs. There's a mesh there, and yeah, relatively cheap. So let's get them fitted and see how easy they are to fit and what they look like. So I have cleaned this area here because on the back of one side we've got some sticky tape. I'll just take the backing off. There's one. Right, and then it's a question of just offering something, pushing it on, I think. Let's give it a go. Wow, that was easy. It's in. Nice little cutout here for the camera as well. Let's do the other side. And again, just a question of pushing it in. Wow, that is a really good fit. Yeah, it looks quite OEM. That is definitely going to stop any debris getting in through those louvers and puncturing any radiator. So thanks to 𝐷𝐿𝐒 for sending these. It's a really nice fit. It looks very OEM, and it's obviously going to protect the inner radiators from any debris and stones, etc. So thanks to 𝐷𝐿𝐒. They also include a trim tool, which I think you could use to remove these should you want to, but they just snapped in really easily, as you saw. If you'd like some of these, get 20% off with my code JP20, and at the time of recording these are £39. I think that is excellent value for money for something that's going to save me having to pay out for new radiators if they got punctured by stone or debris or whatever. Thanks for watching. See you next time.